For today's video, I will be doing a haul. Some things are from Watson's, one thing from H&M, and some things are from Caris. So these are gonna be mostly skincare and one clothing item. So if you want to see what they are, just keep on watching. I'm gonna start off with some things I got from Watson's. So I went to the SM Mega Mall branch. And meron pala ako ditong Starbucks planner because I just claimed what my tita gave me. So I got the berry color, yung pink na Starbucks planner. And then I just have some things. I didn't buy a lot of things. I think I only spent 900 pesos. So, ayun, mostly skincare. And napansin ko, puro Luxe Organix, and this isn't sponsored. I just really wanted some of their products. So, I'm gonna start off with that. Yung first thing na kinuha ko is yung Luxe Organix Skin Mattifying Mist. Ito yung green one. Iniisip ko kung kukunin ko ba yung Hydro Mist, yung kulay blue, or ito. Pero I saw this has tea tree extract. Ang alam ko kasi tea tree, maganda siya for blemishes. So, ito na lang yung binili ko, and it is for mattifying. So, I just really love mists. So, I got this one. And nakikita ko to kay Anakay. Alam ko yung blue yung ginagamit niya. Pero, mas parang nagustuhan ko yung sinasabi for the green one. Because, yun nga, skin mattifying and good for all skin types. So, I got this. And I think this was 219 pesos. Binili ko to kasi paubos na yung Jeju Aloe Eyes ko from Fresh na mist. So, it's gonna replace that. The next thing I got is the second reason why I was in Watson's. Ito yung Vice Cosmetics na brow pencil. So, this is in the shade Soft Brown, and this is 195 pesos. Gusto ko kasi ng isa pang drugstore na brow pencil kasi paubos na yung Sunny's Face ko, and alam ko naman gusto nyo ng mga affordable makeup looks, and wala na akong maisip na maganda pang eyebrow pencil because trinay ko yung Careline before pero it doesn't last that long. Talagang nagda-dry yung pencil niya and hindi ko na siya nagagamit, as in wala nang, hindi na siya kumukulay. Ayan lang siya. Meron lang siyang spoolie, which is very good, and then yung mismong brow pencil, alam ko manipis din yung tip nito. Next thing I got is very important as well kasi I really have bad migraines, and alam niyo naman kapag nakikita niyo yung what's in my bag ko, parati akong may Biogesic, pero I recently learned that it's really bad to take that just for migraines or headaches, and yung magandang take na lang is Advil, and I took this before, tapos nakakatulong talaga siya sa migraines ko. Ito ata is 87 pesos, 87.50 pesos for 10 capsules. So, it looks like this lang. Yan. Really need this kasi ang dali ko talaga magka-headache, migraine. So, yan. Super random, but nandun siya sa Watson's. Nakita ko lang. Next thing I got is the Watson's Hair Removal Cream. Gusto ko sana i-try yung Veet, pero I think it's more expensive. So, ito, 119 pesos. And na-try ko na dati yung Veet, but I forgot if I liked it or not. Pero, gusto ko lang siya i-try for my legs and for my underarms. So, ayan siya. Ito yung Nourishing Hair Removal Cream infused with shea butter and milk for normal skin. Meron lang siyang spatula. And then, ito yung mismong cream. So, this is 50 grams. So, ganyan lang siya. Hopefully, it works. Gusto ko sana kunin yung Veet kasi alam ko maraming gumagamit nun. Pero, I want to try this out kasi mas mura siya, and maybe I'll do a review if it really works or not. Super random as well. Nakita ko lang siya. I swear, dapat ito lang talaga yung bibilin ko. Itong dalawa. And then, meron pa akong bibilin sana pero hindi siya available dun sa SM Mega Mall, yung teeth whitening strips, because I saw that dun sa video ni Ate Via Santos. And then, ito yung kailangan ko. Ito ang tatlo lang dapat yung bibilin ko pero napabili pa ako ng ibang gamit. Ito, puro Luxe Organix na. Binili ko yung Soothing Gel. This is the Aloe Vera Soothing Gel. And meron sila yung tub, yung ganyan, yung malaki. I think 209 yun or 199. I actually bought that for my sister for Christmas. Pero, wala lang. Gusto ko lang ng ganito kasi ayoko yung nasa tub. Parang unhygienic for me. So, ito na lang para meron naman siyang seal. So, lalagay ko na lang sa hand ko and then yun yung gagawin kong moisturizer. And then, mas mura naman to. I know I use the M Plus cream, pero I'm planning to do an affordable skincare routine. So I'm gonna try this out and see if this can be my moisturizer. Lastly, something I saw and didn't really need. This is the Luxe Organic Castor Oil for eyelash and brows, yung growth serum. Because I know if you put castor oil on your eyelashes or your eyebrows, pampahaba siya ng buhok. So, yeah, I'm gonna try this out. I really want my lashes to be longer. I'm planning to do eyelash extensions, pero ayoko muna gumasta. So, I'm gonna try this first. Did I say this is 99 pesos and this is 109 pesos? So, fairly affordable. So, it just looks like this. Hopefully, maganda siya. Yung sister ko parating gumagamit ng castor oil pero ayoko naman hiramin yung sa kanya. So, I'm excited to use this and ang cute ng packaging niya. It's like blue and black. So, ayan, those are all the things that I got. I gave myself like a budget of 1,000 pesos. May binili yung boyfriend ko, so nilibre ko na siya. So, yun, hindi na ako nakabili ng ibang items pa. I was planning to buy makeup wipes, but I still have anyway, so I just didn't buy that anymore. More skincare products. I got some packages from Caris. The first package is this one. They gave me their KeepCool Sooth Bamboo Mini Kit. So, para siyang skincare na may sample sizes. And I think mga 600 pesos lang to. Wait lang. Let me check on my phone. Okay, for this one pala, this is 650 pesos. And you get 3 items already. I think that's very sulit for 3 items. But we'll see if it works. I'm gonna do a review on this. So, meron yung KeepCool Sooth Lotion. Meron tayong KeepCool na Sooth Toner. So, ayan yung products. And then, meron din tayong KeepCool Sooth Serum. Ayan siya yung Sooth Serum. I'm still using up some of my skincare items, pero I'll try this soon. We'll see. Lastly, from Caris, ito yung isang gustong-gusto ko pa. Kasi ang daming nagre-rave about this one. And another mist as well. This is the A.STOP Clear Face and Body Toner. So, parang face mist din siya, pero yun nga, it's a toner, and spray bottle lang siya. This is 920 pesos. If you go to my shop, I'm gonna link it down below. Yung original price na to is 1,070 pesos, but if you buy it through my shop, 920. And then, for this one, ito, original price is 750 pesos. Pero if you go to my shop, less 100 pesos, 650 na lang. Last thing is from H&M. My sister just gave me a gift card nung Christmas, so I decided to buy something. And I really needed like t-shirts. So I just bought a t-shirt. This is a nice tie-dye blue color. So ayan lang siya. Like plain t-shirt, and this is 300 pesos. 299 pesos. Tapos, I'm in the size small. So, ayun lang siya. It's not on sale. Sale nga yung H&M yesterday, pero wala akong nakitang maganda sa sale. So, I just decided to buy, like, yung normal, yung regular priced items nila. So, ayan. Yan lang yung binili ko kasi nagtitipid din ako. Bibili akong laptop. Dapat sana gagawa ko ng haul pag nakuha ko na yung laptop ko, pero I don't know when I'm gonna buy it. So, yun. Basta I'm planning to buy before school starts. Hopefully, but we'll see. Okay. I feel like I've been talking too much, so I'm gonna stop. And yeah, thank you so much for watching my haul. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Comment below any more video suggestions. And yeah, I'll see you next time. And please subscribe to my channel. Bye! Thanks for watching.